Hello, welcome to NN Media. We are in front of Advocate Anupriya Sethi garu. Hello, hi ma'am.
Namaste. Hello.
Ma'am, what is the difference between lawyer and advocate, ma'am?
Okay. See, people will get confused in two words: lawyer and advocate. Lawyer is a junior and advocate is a senior.
Okay.
Now, it's a big, it's a big way to become an advocate. How it is a big way? Any student who opt for LLB course, first he will write a law set. After writing the law set, he will get admission in any law college. After getting the admission in the law college, he is deemed to be a lawyer,
Okay.
to say a lawyer. But lawyers will not get have that, powers to sign the wakalatnama and anything or take any case into the consideration. Now, it's a big struggle for any person who opt a law subject to become an advocate. How it is a struggle, as I have gone through. I have did my LLB on the inspiration, on my in-laws' inspiration, I should say. The main person who has inspired to do the law is my husband, Mr. Charanjit Singh Sethi, who is a backbone, who stood behind me and taught me in nights also. As he is not an advocate, but he used to teach me the subject, and always he used to support my kids also when they were very small. And in the inspiration is my mother-in-law, I should say. My mother-in-law, I should thank her, and she always used to pray that something I should be, because I was working before, in the hospitality industry. I was in a good designation and I was working, but because of the kids I have opted this honorable profession as advocacy. As the time passed, I have completed my law graduation, and then after completing, working under a senior. That is really, it is very important for any lawyer to be a perfect advocate.
Okay.
Now, I have also thanked to my senior advocate, Mr. Rajeshwar Raoji, who has taught me the basic concepts of law, the fundamentals of law, the practical knowledge which he has given. Because a senior, we should listen to our seniors, how they are teaching us and how they are molding us, the practice they are giving. We should honor, I don't know, I have a high regards for him. And how to do the filing, and how to take the date, how to talk near the judge. That is very important. Main thing is fear. We should take out the fear whenever we are standing near the judge. The presentation is very important in the courtroom. Whenever you are presenting any case, as per any case which is concerned, it's in your pocket. If it's a divorce case, you should present with the evidences to the judge to make him understand this case, you are winning it. Anyhow, if you are winning or losing, the presentation is very important. Now, it is a big, it is a big thing to become an advocate. I'm really thankful all the people who were back of me, supported me, especially my in-laws. I should be thankful. My mother-in-law, I don't know how much regards and respect I have it. But I also talk simply to my sister-in-law also, Mr. Guljit Kaur. She also has supported me back of it. Always she said, age is a number. She says age is a number. She is a teacher in a school, you can make it. With kids also you can make it. No, you can do it. It was difficult for me to think also I can do it. I was a lawyer, and whenever I feel my age is not less and not more, it was in between to become an advocate. But yes, today I have reached to the success also in advocacy. So the difference between the advocate and lawyer, a lawyer can become only an advocate when he goes down deep into the subject of law, know the fundamentals of law, respect the seniors, and main thing is interest. And he should be liable to the client. Main important thing. the client comes to you with a difficulty to give the remedy, to seek remedy from you. You should understand the client feelings and the emotions of the client, what remedy he wants. You should go deep, hard work into that and make him to the point to believe that, no, we will do it. We will do it. And today I have a team working with me. It's a Navya Association, a team of people working with me. I also want to thank to Mr. Srinivas Garu, who always supported me in filing the cases in the courts, and also I used to take him advices from him because he's working from 14 years in LB Nagar court, and I should be see the team and the juniors. I should also thankful to Rama Reddy. He's my colleague only, I should not say that. And other juniors like Rafiq and Shobha Rani madam, who used to take dates for me if I have a case in other court also. So it is a long journey which has gone through. Really, advocacy is an honorable profession, and I'm very happy today here that today I'm an advocate. First I was a lawyer. First I was just a student, then I became a lawyer, then an advocate. Thank you.
And what is the pro forma for lawyers to become an advocate in the court premises?
The main thing, performer to lawyer to become, he should maintain the decorum in the court, the uniform, grooming is very important for an advocate. He should be groomed well in sense he should be groomed professionally. He should look like an advocate. And he should also know the fundamentals of the subject in which he is taking as masters in it, either in a family law or the property cases or any other field like copyrights or trademark. So in anything, wherever he is seeking interest in that, so performa is nothing but the interest he should take part in that subject and give remedy to as per the concerns what he is doing it.
Should he register in Bar Council, madam?
Huh?
Should he register
It is
in Bar
very
Council?
important. He should get registered in the Bar Council. Without that, a lawyer cannot become an advocate. So that means why this amendment has come into consideration, because many lawyers, long before they have done the advocacy, but they don't know the knowledge of the subject. They are advocates, but they don't have knowledge. Yeah. If I say, I'm not defaming, if I say 20 years of experience also advocate is there, but he don't have much knowledge into the subject. So that is why this he should be registered in Bar Association. Because of that, they will only decide that this person is liable to become an advocate or not. A lawyer can only give advice, but he can't do the advocacy. He can't take the case, that's all. The difference is that.
Do lawyers have any authority to handle the case in the court, ma'am?
See, yes, lawyer can take the dates in the court when they are practicing in the second year, but they don't have authority to take the case into their hands, because they should have a bar of counsel license. After passing LLB 3-year course, they should write AIBE exam. After writing the exam, they should clear the exam, then only the license they should opt for. The Bar Association will give the license, then they can go into the advocate field.
Without license, they can't handle, ma'am?
No, they cannot. They cannot. They only give the advice, but they cannot. And that also they have to learn with the senior. At least 2 years learning should be there with the senior. And then only, if they are confident to take the case, then only they should take. Or else they should not. After becoming the advocate also, I should say that.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.